Given the function this, we're now asked to find the inverse of the function, the reverse of the fraction. So let lambda be equal to the function 7x minus 3. So the first thing you do here is to swap the position of lambda and x. Whenever you see lambda, you put x. Whenever you see x, you put lambda. That means here you have x will be equal to 7 lambda minus 3. Next is to make lambda the subject of the yeah. So that means here you have minus 7 lambda equals to minus 3 minus x. So lambda will be equals to minus 3 minus x all over minus 7. So lambda will be equals to minus 1 into x plus 3 all over minus 7. So this one will cancel out. So lambda will be equals to x plus 3 all over 7. That is it. So this is the reverse of this. Thank you for being here. All right.